I'm going to walk you through how to get more storage on iPad without deleting apps. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.
Go ahead and head forward into your settings. So once you're into your settings, you're going to go ahead and click on your Apple ID right up here. Then from here, you're going to click on iCloud. So once you're here, you're going to see this option, upgrade storage. So you can see for mine, it shows manage account storage because I already have a storage I actually bought. So you click on manage account storage, and then you're probably gonna see something like this. You can go ahead and upgrade your storage by getting 50 gig for $8. And then you can get up to 200 gig, 2 tera, 6 tera, even up to 12 tera, which is very good. So if you don't have the cash to do this, then I'll probably suggest you go to your gallery, delete some couple of videos and photos, clear up more storage on your iPad.